In case you want to save this document as a password protected document, then you can also do it. You can just enter a unique file name and then choose the option or select the option save with password. So when you will click on save, then it will just show you this window where you can enter the password for the document, and then you have to enter the password twice and then click on OK. Now whenever you will try to open this file, this will ask for a password.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.